Hi everybody! Boy do I have a treat for you today. We are standing outside the Sears Tower, also known as the Willis Tower, in Chicago, Illinois. Today we are going to get a very exciting tour. We are going to get to ride elevator number F3, which is the really big service elevator that goes throughout the whole building. We are also going to get to see car 61, the observatory, and of course, get to see the machine room. And we also go home with a couple things. So, with that being said, guess what time it is, everybody? That's right, it's elevaTOUR time! There's DieselDucy. We will start off our tour on LL1 in the service elevator lobby. So, with that being said, enjoy the wait for the elevator and the ride up.
I will wait 20 minutes. So what does this button do?
That was what we call a discrete riser.
I mean,
So,
you can call just this
You
car.
call just this car at a time. It's this car.
Where's it going? 110?
102.
Okay, here we go.
Top floor of this is 102.
All right, let's see here. Is it? Where is it now?
It's on tech.
All right, we are going to get to ride the service elevator, the Sears Rover. I've seen this on film.
And it's there.
I've always seen it on this.
Takes a minute for it to level into such a big car. We're going to take a couple guys all the way up to do a full run in it.
Look at those buttons.
So this was originally a 1,000-foot-minute car also, and does run pretty much the whole way into the building.
Unfortunately, the floor indicator doesn't work.
So we were just under another 40 stories to go.
This is the only one that is still original, as you will see inside that cabinet.
staying there. I'll send this right back up.
Relay logic.
Here's it.
Here's the emergency valve. The floor indicator sadly doesn't work. What technology was in that floor indicator?
CE Electronics was the last one to make them, and they discontinued them in the early 90s. So if you guys want to walk out on the sky deck, we got to put the cameras away here. We're more than welcome to it.
That was cool. That was my friends.
Unfortunately, I didn't shoot any video up on the sky deck. However, I did get some photos, so enjoy these photos from a cloudy May day off the sky deck. Those are some really pretty views, but this next view is going to be stunning. The machine room. Let's go.
You know, just the mechanical aspects of this is beautiful how they did this back in the day. And the fact that the guys have kept it all running like a Swiss watch. I am going to close this back up if you guys are good.
Yep.
That is one big machine, and look at that selector on the left. It's almost 2 stories tall. This is the machine of the observatory elevators. The one on the left is being modded by Otis. The one on the right still has its original machine, but that is in the process of being upgraded as well. Now, it's time to go back down. Let's go back to the service elevator and return to the lower level 1.
Back at the beginning.
Thank you. That was right on the service elevator.
Even though I was a bit fatter back then, this was still an amazing experience. I really enjoyed getting to see behind the scenes of an elevator I had wanted to ride for years. I got to go home with this lantern, complete with dinner bell, as well as a call station from, I believe, the 71st floor, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And now it's time for this. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. And you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.